Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be continuing the questions that we have left in the last video. In last video, we have completed till 18th question. Now I am starting from question number 19 to question number the all remaining questions of this exercise. Now I have taken some very good questions or difficult question which student faces difficulty. So I am starting with the first question. The pH, QH and RH term of a GPR A, B and C prove that this. Now how to prove this? We know pH term. It is given AP equal to A, A2 equal to B, AR equal to C. What is pH term? AR की power n minus 1. I have used capital A because small is already there in the question. AR to the power P minus 1. AR to the power Q minus 1 and Rth term AR to the power R minus 1 equal to C. This is equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Now prove that करना है भाई LHS लेते हैं हम जो प्रूव करना है A to the power Q minus R, B to the power R minus P, C to the power P minus Q. What is A? A is AR to the power P minus 1 Q minus R. What is B? AR to the power Q minus 1 into R minus P. What is C? AR to the power R minus 1 into P minus Q. Now we'll separate the powers. A की power Q minus R into R की power P minus 1 into Q minus R. Separate हो जाएगा ना power. Now A to the power R minus P and R की power A की power R minus P into R की power Q minus 1 into my R minus P. A to the power P minus Q into R की power R minus 1 into P minus 1. Now base same है, product में power will be added. So these three A power will be added. A to the power Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q into R to the power. What will be the product? Product will be, just pay attention, P का multiply PQ minus PR minus Q plus R. Then this multiply RQ minus PQ minus R plus P plus R का PR minus RQ minus P plus Q. So you will see all the terms will be cancelled out. Here also you can say PQ से PQ cancel, R से R cancel, सारे cancel होंगे. PR से PR cancel, Q से Q cancel, RQ से RQ cancel and P से P cancel. A to the power 0 into R to the power 0, किसी भी नंबर की पावर 0 होता है 1, 1 into 1 is 1 and that is equal to RHS. Hence we have proof करना. Now next question we have the first and nth term of a GPR A and B. P is the product of first 10 terms. Prove that. ये proof करना है हमें. Now first term हमारे पास A है, First term is A and nth term is B. nth term क्या होता है भाई? A R to the power n minus 1 is equal to B. ये ध्यान रखना है. Now P is the product of first 10 term, means first term into second term into third term into dash 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 nth term. ध्यान से देख लो भाई यहाँ पे. First term will be A, second term AR, third term AR square into dash 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 AR to the power n minus 1. N terms are there, in every term we have A. So A की power कितनी होगी? N, because A is multiplied n times. Now R product में power add होगा 1, 2, next will be 3 and likewise the last will be n minus 1. So we'll be adding this. What is the sum of, means this is an AP, So if I find the summation n by 2, number of terms are n minus 1, 2A, first term is 1, n minus 1 into D. So what we are getting, n minus 1 by 2, 2 plus n minus 2 to cancel. And if you remember this formula directly, then also you can apply. This will be the summation. मैंने कौन सा formula use किया? 2a plus n minus 1 into dn by 2. यहाँ पे number of terms कितने? n minus 1, so I have used n के place पे n minus 1. कौन सा formula use किया है? n by 2 minus 1 into the AP का formula use किया because it is in AP. Now, so we have P is equal to A की power n into R की power n into n minus 1 by 2. Right? Now, what is P square? P square can be written as A to the power n into R की power n into n minus 1 by 2 का whole square. This square will be given to both. P square equal to A to the power n का square plus R to the power n into n minus 1 by 2 का square. A 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा. So P square equal to A की power 2n into R की power n into n minus 1. This is equation number first. Now, what is RHS? RHS is A into B की power n. That is A की power n into B की power n. What is B? B is A R की power n minus 1 power n. Powers will be separated. So A to the power n into R की power n into n minus 1. Now, प्रोडक्ट में पावर क्या होगी? ऐड होगी. प्रोडक्ट में पावर ऐड होगा तो n plus n will be what? 2n. A to the power 2n into R to the power n into n minus 1. This is what equation number second. Now, can I say from 1 and 2 by equation number 1 and 2? I can say RHS are equal to LHS will be equal to P square equal to A into B equal to the power n hence 2. Now next question we have question number 23. The ratio of sum of first n terms of a GP to the sum of n plus 1 to 2nth term. मतलब simple सी बात क्या है? This is first term, second term, third term, that is nth term, n plus 1, n plus 2, 2n. Total 2n terms है. तो इसका कहना है n terms के sum को remaining के sum के साथ ratio निकालना है. So what I will be doing here means, can I write sum of first n term upon sum of n plus 1 to 2nth term. ध्यान से देखना बेटा, सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म को Sn बोल सकता हूं मैं, और n plus 1 से 2n तक का सम निकालना है. तो मैं बोल रहा हूं टोटल का सम निकाल लो और उसमें से इतना पोर्शन आप हटा दो तो इतना ही बचेगा ना. टोटल कितने 2n टर्म्स है? 2n टर्म्स है तो मैं S2n लिख दूंगा. S2n में से Sn निकाल दो. तो टोटल में से nth टर्म हटा दोगे तो बचेगा क्या? n plus 1 से 2n ही बचेगा ना. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ GP? सम ऑफ nth टर्म A R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So I am using it here. A R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1 whole upon S2n A R to the power 2n minus 1 upon R minus 1. कॉमन ले तो सेम होगा. Sn क्या होगा? A R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Now next step में I am taking LCM. LCM लेते A R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. A R to the power 2n minus 1 minus A R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So ये R minus 1 से R minus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा और A कॉमन आ जाएगा. अगर A कॉमन आएगा so what I can do? A R की पावर n minus 1. यहाँ पे भी A कॉमन ले सकते हैं हम. A कॉमन लिया, R की पावर 2n minus 1. माइनस साइन के कारण साइन चेंज होंगे. मींस फर्स्ट विल बी नेगेटिव एंड सेकंड विल बी माइनस माइनस प्लस 1. सो ए से कैंसिल, माइनस 1 से प्लस 1 कैंसिल. R to the power n minus 1 upon R to the power 2n minus R to the power n. Can I take R की पावर n कॉमन? मैं R की पावर n कॉमन ले रहा हूं, बचेगा क्या? R की पावर n minus 1. n 2n हो जाएगा ना. और देखो सेम कैंसिल हो रहा है. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन R की पावर n. और यही हमें प्रूफ करने का बोला था, 1 upon R की पावर n. Now next 25th question. We have 4 terms in GP and we need to prove this relation. This thing we need to prove. Now how can, if these 4 terms are in GP, then can I say the first term obviously A, right? Second term, can I write second term को AR लिख सकता हूँ, third term को AR square and fourth term टर्म टू AR क्यूब। फॉर्मूला होता है ना AN का, AR टू द पावर n minus 1, तो फर्स्ट टर्म तो A है ही, सेकंड टर्म AR हो जाएगा, थर्ड AR स्क्वायर और फोर्थ AR क्यूब। क्या फायदा होगा? अब इन ABC को मैं LHS में भी रखूंगा, RHS में भी। If I will be getting the same result, I will be telling LHS is equal to RHS, right? So LHS अब मैं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, देखो LHS A square plus B square plus C square, B square plus C square plus D square। देखना भाई ध्यान से, ये तो A ही रहेगा, B square, B is AR, A square R square, C is AR square, तो AR square का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? A square R की पावर 4, B square A square R square, C square A square R की पावर 4 and D square A square R की पावर 6। A square common from first, 1 plus R square plus R की पावर 4, A square R square common from second, 1 plus R square plus R की पावर 4, so I can write A to the power 4 R square 1 plus R square plus R की पावर 4 का whole square। ये LHS हुआ है, सॉरी LHS। Now RHS is what? AB plus BC plus CD का whole square। What is A? A is A. What is B? B is AR. BC, BC क्या हो जाएगा? B is AR and C is AR square, and CD में C is AR square and D is AR cube का whole square। अब आप ध्यान से देखो, what I am taking common, मैं A square R common ले रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे क्या बच रहा है? 1 A square R, A square गया और एक R भी गया, तो R square बचा। A square गया और एक R भी गया, तो 5 आ रहे, एक गया तो 4 R बचे। So I am separating the square. If I separate the square, I will have A square R की power 2 into 1 plus R square plus R की power 4 की power 2. So this is called A for R square 1 plus R square plus R4 की power 2. This is equation number second. This is equation number first. Now can I say from these two equations by 1 and 2 LHS equal to RHS, hence 2. Now question number 27, find the value of n so that a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon b to the power n plus b to the power n are maybe in geometric mean. Now what we know about geometric mean? या geometric mean मालूम होता है mean of a and b क्या होता है? root a b होता है ना। And what is geometric mean is given a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power n is a to the power 1 by 2 into b to the power 1 by 2, right? Now I am cross multiplying a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 is equal to multiply करो यार यहाँ पे, right? multiply करोगे तो आपको क्या हो जाएगा? a to the power 1 by 2 into b to the power 1 by 2 a to the power n plus b to the power n to the power n plus, ध्यान से देखना, for simplifying can I write 1 को 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and b की power n को भी 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 a to the power सेपरेट कर रहा हूँ, प्रोडक्ट में पावर ऐड होगा n plus 1 by 2 into b की पावर 1 by 2 प्लस इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो सेकंड से, a to the power तो सेम रहेगा and b to the power n plus 1 by 2। so what I am doing, मतलब यहाँ पे मैं कर देता हूँ 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2। और नेक्स्ट स्टेप में a to the power 1 by 2 b to, मतलब सेपरेट कर दिया, प्रोडक्ट में पावर ऐड होती है ना, प्रोडक्ट में पावर ऐड होती है। नाउ अब आप देखो, इसको देखो आप और इसको देखो। इफ आई टेक दिस ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, a की पावर n plus 1 by 2 into a की पावर 1 by 2 minus a की पावर n plus 1 by 2 into b की पावर 1 by 2 is equal to this। I will be taking to the right hand side, this I am writing same b to the power n plus 1 by 2 minus b to the power 1 by 2. What is common in these two? Is there anything common? Yes. A to the power n plus 1 by 2 is common. What is left? A की power 1 by 2 minus b की power 1 by 2. And here b to the power n plus 1 by 2 is common. A to the power 1 by 2 minus b to the power 1 by 2, and these two terms will be cancelled out. Now what will have? A to the power n plus 1 by 2 equal to b to the power n plus 1 by 2. Now I am taking this to the denominator. A to the power n plus 1 by 2 upon b to the power n plus 1 by 2 am taking whole power, means I will be writing a upon b whole to the power n plus 1 by 2, and right hand side 1 को मैं क्या a by b की पावर 0 बोल सकता हूँ, बिकॉज किसी भी नंबर की पावर 0 1 होता है. सर a by b क्यों लिखा, why you have written only a by b? Just because I need to compare. So if I compare both sides, n plus 1 by 2 equal to 0, so n equal to minus 1 by 2. Now next is question number 28. What is given? Sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric means. Means it is given that the numbers we can say a and b. Let numbers a and b. What is given? Means according to question, sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. Geometric mean क्या होता है? रूट ए बी होता है. Now we need to show a by b ये होगा, मतलब a upon b आपको निकालना है. अब यार a upon b निकालना है तो कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? That we need to see what we can do here. Just we can identify square both sides and we having a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 36ab. Right? So if I take it on the left hand side or if I take this on the right hand side, what I can have, or I can write in other term, I can write this as equation number 1. Right? ऐसा equation number 1 लिख देता हूँ, कोई problem तो नहीं है. Right? Okay. Now if I subtract minus 4ab both side, subtract 4ab both side, so what I will have, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab, 36ab minus 4ab. अब क्यों देखो समझ में आएगा ऐसा क्यों कर रहा हूँ. a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to 32ab. This is equation number 2. Now these two equation dividing equation number 1 by equation number 2. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ये LHS क्या है, a plus b का होल स्क्वायर, एंड सेकंड का LHS क्या है, a minus b का होल स्क्वायर. दैट इज 36ab upon 32ab. ab से ab cancel and 2 से 4 8s and 4 9s I can write. Right? So if I take out this square, means in the next step I can write a plus b upon a minus b whole square equal to 9 by 8. So a plus b upon a minus b is equal to 3 by 2 root 2. Now by componendo and dividendo. भाई कंपोनेंटो डिविडेंडो क्या होता है? कंपोनेंटो डिविडेंडो में एक बार ये प्लस होता है, मींस a plus b plus a minus b, and similar on the right hand side प्लस होगा, and once minus. रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन में we have discussed in the earlier classes, है ना? नहीं पढ़ा है तो समझ लेना यार. b से b कैंसिल, a से a कैंसिल, a plus a 2a, b plus b 2b, 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2, और a 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया, नंबर का रेशियो ये आया है और यही तो प्रूफ करना था. Hence proved. Now that's all in this video. I hope you like my video.